Thanks for stopping by Canvas Works. We're going to talk about taking care of your snaps installed in your boats. All boats have just one style of snap. They're all this one size, and they tend to pick up corrosion from dirt in the road, dirt in the covers, polishing compound, bugs, and anything else that may happen to be on your boat. In order to keep the snaps clean and well lubricated, it keeps the covers going on and off much easier. These are the three products that we use for cleaning snaps. Alcohol for wiping them down and cleaning them up. Paper towels for doing that part of the job. You can use a small brush, but you gotta be careful scratching your boat. You can use Q-tips, but you might not have that. We use WD-40 applied to a paper towel, and what that does is keep you from spraying WD-40 all over everything. So I'm gonna run you through how we do it. Paper towel, denatured alcohol. We like the denatured alcohol because it's a clean product. It's not like a soap or anything else on it. It's just a clean product. It evaporates quickly, but you can see the dull and the dirt in that snap. Now, it's a pretty simple process. Get both the inside and the outside of the snap. It's way easier on fiberglass boats because you don't have any carpet. So there's a nice clean snap. You can see it's shining. There's no dirt and grit and grime in it. The grit and grime is really what stops the snap from working. Then I just spray a little WD-40 on the paper towel and just touch it. It makes the snap slide on very, very nicely. Thanks, Dwayne from Canvas Works.